How do I find out which Forex pair and time frame is best to trade? It's a common question all traders ask. Maybe you can figure it out the hard way by switching from chart to chart to find the trend, but if that's not hard enough, consider that markets change over time. A system designed for a trending market can turn into a trap which suddenly fails to make profit. Imagine if you could quickly scan all currency pairs and time frames to find the best trend and dramatically increase the profitability of any method you trade. If you're struggling with erratic market chaos when the trend direction is unclear, then this is the solution. So how does it work? Our powerful computers continuously work to find the best pair and time frame for you at any time. The result is the most clean pair and time frame with a nice trend, and this is the key to reduce unnecessary losses and increase your odds of winning by simply following the best trend. As you know, trading against the trend leads to loss after loss, but trading with the trend leads to profits, or at least increases profitability of any method or robot you trade. Trading within the range is unpredictable and risky, unless you know exactly what you're doing. The truth is that most Forex systems or robots make money with the trend, but lose money in a choppy market. But the tricky part is to find that good trend. Let me tell you one big mistake most traders make all the time. They're used to focusing on one specific pair and time frame. 90% of traders only trade the major pairs, mainly the euro, the cable, the Aussie and the yen. The reason is clear. It's beyond human power to watch all the currency pairs. The Forex Trendy tool scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. It would take you hours analyzing every single chart. Forex Trendy crunches all the charts within a second. You don't have to wait during the choppy market. Just pick the best trending pair at any time. It scans even the exotic currency pairs, such as the Norwegian krone, the Sing dollar, or the Hong Kong dollar, which gives you a great advantage. You don't have to limit yourself to basic Forex pairs though. There are more trading opportunities out there. When one becomes choppy, throw it away and jump to another pair. Forex Trendy quickly gives you the next best pick. You can even set up audible alerts so that when there's a pretty trending trade, you won't miss it. The Forex Trendy application works independently from your trading platform. You can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, etc., because the software is actually running on our computers located in Florida. What you get is just a clean trend at any time. For a small fee, you get access to use this online application. Bring your trading to the next level with the easiest, smartest tool in the Forex arena. Just click on the link below the video. Here's what's inside. No thick ebooks to read or complex software to install, just instant auto analysis of the cleanest pairs and timeframes with a nice trend. No matter if you're a novice or advanced trader, everyone immediately benefits from this smart application. Now a special bonus. Automated chart pattern recognition software that can recognize triangles, flags, wedges, and strong trend lines in all currency pairs and time frames, so you're always prepared for every potential breakout. The audible alerts will tell you about the confirmed patterns in real time, so you don't miss the explosive price movements following the breakout. Your current approach is probably why you're not profiting consistently or still looking for a better trading system. Are you doing the same thing and expecting different results? Forex Trendy is not a system, but a powerful trading tool that's designed to help improve the accuracy of any system or strategy that you're currently using. Click on the link below the video.